Okay, let's try this again. Hopefully my background don't overlap the game. That sucked. Ow, my back. Alright, doesn't look like it's overlapping. Let's go back to attack and defense. I guess I should probably play as Spyro. The fuck was that? Oh, I don't care. Whoops. You're not getting help, guy. Guess who's not getting help? You. You're not getting help. Ah, shit. Fucking saw me. What a scrub. What a scrub! No! Not in my house, shit! I fucked up. Oh, damn it. No, fuck off. Hey, I just got done telling him to fuck off, so whoever let him fires. No, thank you. No, thank you. Damn you, Spotify commercials. Ah, shit, shit, shit. I'm in trouble. I'm in a lot of fucking trouble. Okay.
Perfect snack to energize your afternoon. And now you can do the same to your music.
Okay, let's
flip one of your Spotify playlists, infusing your tired music with the
fuck you, advertisement.
Giovanni, it's the break you make.
Giovanni, it's the break you make. Okay, bye.